What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It has been an absolute minute since we've done anything vehicle related, and this is going to be a little different than the normal bus content than we normally have. If you guys follow my social media, you know that I'm always doing something to annoy or banter Greg, and this has been an absolute curveball. So I'm not sure if all of you know him, but Greg, come over here. Say hi. This is my husband, Greg.
Hey.
And I always annoy him with my vehicles and silliness, and he has now taken a page out of my book, and a vehicle of sorts followed him home, and so we're going to chronicle his latest and greatest project. So without further ado, I'm going to turn this around, and why don't you start explaining it and take us on a little tour.
It's a 93
Yeah.
Prowler. We bought from a hilarious Christian camp. We are not going to worry about all the things that may or may not have happened in here, but all that to say, it is a bit of a work in progress. We managed to get the awning out today, which was an issue and a half, but fine. So you can't tell, but even the camera's struggling with how hot it is in this RV right now. But yeah, lots of the things need to be fixed, updated. There's some water damage. But it's going to be a fun project. Try and get some things fixed. Obviously, banquette.
Okay, explain this big hole right here.
This is where the fridge goes.
And what are we going to do with it?
I'm going to find fridge. I don't know. In here there's some carpet, which obviously we're going to take up because there's bugs and shit living in it. And in here is a bathroom, which you can check out. It's also a little gross, but will be amazing when it's done.
So what is the overall end game plan? What's the goal?
Well, the goal is to have a trailer that works.
Yeah.
And that we could, in theory, take our family on adventures in. Yeah, kind of have a summer project, so something to work on. And
Sweet. Let's walk around outside.
okay. Sorry.
Okay, good.
Today I washed it. It was all pretty dirty. If we start at the front, you can get kind of a sense of what it all looked like this morning. It's like you can see the Prowler logo is pretty gross. You can see Sean's truck. I haven't done the front part yet, but I'll do that now.
Okay, so the side is after, and the front is before. Okay, let's get a shot of the awning. I'm actually shocked that it's in that good a shape.
Oh, for those of you who don't know, Sean said it's okay to have it slanted.
Yeah, of course it's okay to be slanted. Yeah, obviously it goes straight, but it's slanted to the water.
Right now it looks broken, but it's not broken. It's just I'm gonna pressure wash some more. And the back window is broken. I was a little bit worried some of the glass was gonna fall out while we were driving, but it didn't, so that was great. So I just duct taped and tarped the windows so I could paint pressure wash around it. Yeah, pretty much looks like a brand new, really old.
And are you gonna paint it, or what are you gonna do?
I'm not sure yet.
Nice.
Most people say no paint.
That's very
I kind of think it might be hilarious to have a random color, but we'll see.
Okay, so explain what's happening up here.
Oh yeah, well, short answer is we're not really sure. We're gonna take the tin off and see what's under it. Hopefully the old roof is there. It probably has some leaks, hence the duct tape and the water damage inside. But I'm hoping if it is still sealed, or at least the leaks aren't too crazy, then I'll patch and then do a rubber roll over the whole thing, and hopefully that would be good. There are ants in it right now, so we bought an epic ant spray. Oh yeah, if you haven't seen the ants. first one. So about an ant spray to kill them, kind of like this. Did. Oh. It actually didn't die, but there it died.
Okay. So that is the quick tour and introduction to Greg's 1993 Prowler fifth wheel travel trailer, which is not a me purchase, not a me project. This is a Greg's outlet type thing. If it screws up, it's my fault. I still need to take you on the tour of the Pete. I need to get some more bus content. Life has been absolutely crazy and hectic, as you would have seen in our last video with the wedding update. So stay tuned. I will see how far we can get, but I was absolutely shocked when St. Gregory wanted to pick up a new hobby that had wheels and wanted it to live at home. Notice that the Fury isn't here, the Greyhound isn't here, the 55 GM TDM 4515 is not here, but his trailer is. But he lets me get away with murder, so I'm not saying. Anyway, he is now going to fire up the pressure washer and get to town. I'm going to get my truck ready for tomorrow, and I will try to get some more content put together with Greg on this trailer. And if you guys have retrofitted or renovated or updated or fixed any vintage trailers with this type of construction, because things have changed a lot in the last 30 years, please leave tips and suggestions below. We definitely need some ideas on how to patch the roof. It might be a little bit more invasive than we expect. And
you need some ideas. I'm gonna be fine.
He's gonna be fine. I want some ideas. And what would you guys do? Would you make it all light, bright, and airy? Would you guys use contact paper to just cover the wood with another type of more contemporary artsy look? And if you have any suggestions for used parts for a trailer of this vintage, let us know, because whether it's a window pane or a roof hatch or an electrical panel, there are some new parts that won't fit. So let us know what you guys use. Chat soon. So good! I am so happy and proud of him. He is gonna kill it.